wamekuwa wakisifiwa kwa roho mbaya na hila polisi.
For this cohort, we've seen diversity, we've seen collaboration, we've seen a lot of networking with these guys, and a pat on your back, guys.
Atuogopi.